everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes, and starting a new week of utilizing my utility pants, that is. You can call them cargos, you can call them utilities. They're kind of also, some of them are jogger style, some of them are not. One of the things that I was very excited to show you today, I actually had to change my outfit because I had a little mishap, all right? So I'm still wearing my utility pants, and I threw on this blazer because I'm always cold, but I had actually a different blouse underneath, all right? So my blouse that I was wearing was a victim to this. I don't know if you guys know about these. These are Quest protein chips, and this is the nacho cheese flavor. These are not a bad chip. So if you're craving Doritos and want something maybe a little bit better than Doritos, but this is not healthy. Don't say that. I'm not claiming this is healthy, but it has more protein in it and probably a little bit less fat and carbohydrates than with like Doritos, all right? So if you're kind of craving that nacho cheese flavor, these aren't bad. But unfortunately, the blouse I was wearing was a victim to this. So I had to change. So this was not the blouse I was wearing. Not that I liked the blouse I was wearing with this outfit anyway. I had issues with that blouse too. So if the stains do not come out, I won't be heartbroken, all right? So today's outfit. I have on, and this is my first time wearing these. These are the level 99 joggers, and they have the pockets over on the sides that make them utility. Now I was watching another YouTuber about styles and trends, and she says the cargo / utility pants are totally in style and trend, but they're also a classic, and that you shouldn't fear buying these because they'll always be a classic. They're never going to be out of style. They just happen to be trending and very stylish now. So that's good for me to know, all right? These are in an olive color, and I had it paired with the white blouse. And I put on this blazer that I got from a mix and match box when they were going out of business. It's a Liverpool blazer. It's in denim. And one of the reasons why I wanted to show you this is that denim and olive go great together. Whether you have a chambray top, a denim jacket, or a denim blazer like this, all go well with the olive green. So if you have olive green and wondering what to pair it with, olive is a neutral. It goes with almost everything, but I can tell you I especially like it with the blues, all right? Let me pan down. I have on just my tan little Vince Camuto booties with this to continue with the neutral outfit. And underneath, I have a very boring basic t-shirt. I believe it's Target. It's a New Day t-shirt in plain white. Like I said, I had a blouse underneath, but it is now soaking in spray wash. So this is my outfit for today. All right, and the pants I got directly from Level 99's site. And stay tuned because I have probably about 5 or 6 days worth of these outfits. Take care, and until next time. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes and another episode of Utilizing My Utility. So, funny story to share. This is my third time filming this. Why? Well, first one, I just didn't like the way it came out. Then the second one, I was happy with the way it came out, and I look back at the footage, and I have my shirt on backwards. What the heck? I don't know what I was thinking this morning. So, here I am, filming again with my shirt correctly, all right? So today's outfit, I am wearing a pair of ivory White House Black Market cargo utility that have the patch pocket here, a faux zipper here, and a zipper down here on the bottom. My faux zipper, it goes to nowhere. There's no pocket here. It's just for show, all right? So the zipper works. There's just nothing to go to, all right? With it, I have the shirt that I put on backwards. Some of you might recognize this shirt. It's a really beautiful shirt. It's a short sleeve, cap sleeve blouse by Daniel Rain. It came from Stitch Fix. It's called the Becru blouse. Look at the pretty lace detail here, the little lace over here, and the crochet across the top here, and the little pom-poms or rick-rack, whatever you want to call it, up at the neckline. Isn't it pretty top? And with it, I decided to pair this like blazer / cardigan, or blazigan, I'll call it. It is in a beautiful Tiffany blue, and I haven't worn it yet until today. So let me show you the color of it. Isn't it beautiful? Just because I don't wear my clothes or I don't pull for them doesn't mean I don't like them. I like them. It's just I have so much. I just don't get a chance to wear them. All right. So with this outfit, I have these ivory booties on, and this is my outfit for working from home today and going nowhere. All right. Thank you again, and see you tomorrow for another episode. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today is another day of utilizing my utility pants. So the outfit I have on today is technically not utility pants. They're level 99 joggers. They have the pork chop or utility pockets here, but there is no cargo. I do classify them as such. They got the zipper down on the leg and they got the jogger style bottom. These are for Ever Eve. I got them in a Trendsend. The name it was called Midnight Camo, and it has a very subtle camo print, which I'll come closer so you can see. All right. With it, I have paired this Nation LTD top, which is entirely too expensive. It's just a cotton tee with the balloon sleeves here, a little bit of like padding and puff shoulder here. Very comfortable, cozy tee, and the color of this tee is also, I think, kind of unusual, and I just realized there's a tiny little hole in it, so this is very upsetting me. It's in a dark mahogany color, so let me come closer so you can see. And I just realized I have a tiny little hole in this. I did not know that. A little bit upset. So, yeah, this is my outfit today, and I have it paired with my Funky Steve Madden booties, and I am not going anywhere today because we have a foot of snow here. All right, take care and see you for tomorrow's Utilizing My Utility. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes and Utilizing My Utility, pants that is. So today's outfit, I've got on a pair of blank NYC cargo pants that, believe it or not, I got at Marshall's for like $25 maybe. They got the pockets here that snap. They got some zippers here that, let's see, do they go anywhere? No, they're just for decoration. They have, there we go, 2 slash pockets here in the front, and they got the little zippered ankle down here at the bottom. With them I have paired my Vince Camuto suede booties, and with it I have paired this Stitch Fix shirt, which honestly, I don't know if I'd wear this shirt with cargo pants, but you know what? I wanted to wear this shirt. It's kind of like the opposite of the edgy cargo pants. So I'm standing back, so hopefully you can see it. It has scalloping all down here. It's a knit shirt. I got it from Stitch Fix. It's 41 Hawthorne. It has scalloping all down here at the bottom. It's 3/4 sleeves that are also scalloped. And wait for the back. It has the buttons down the back. Is not cute or what? So there's a story behind this shirt. When I was doing Stitch Fix, I was not too happy with a bunch of the things that they were sending me for a while, and I was getting really frustrated. And I was thinking, I don't want to keep spending my money on this. This is a waste. I'm going to cancel. And then they sent me this shirt, and I'm like, all right, they redeemed themselves. So I obviously kept the shirt, and I've stayed with Stitch Fix all these years. So I really like this shirt. I typically hang all my blouses in my closet and put my knit shirts like this in a drawer, but I think this one is so pretty that I was able to wear something like this to the office. I think this is a really pretty top, and my office was casual enough that I could wear something like this. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. Appreciate your support. Stay tuned, and tomorrow will be another Utilizing My Utility. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And it's Monday again, after a non-existent weekend. I was snowed in the whole weekend pretty much, so it was kind of a dud. And not that my weekends are ever exciting anyway. Got a lot of filming done. But yeah, so today's outfit, I'll step back so you can see it. I am wearing these utility pants that I got from a Stitch Fix. They're by Cut from the Cloth. I am wearing a sweater from JB Style when I used to do JB Style. And I'm wearing a pair of my ivory boots, the Mark Fisher. So, you know, I used to do JB Style, but I stopped doing it mainly, and I understand why. They're a very small little local business, and they had to change their business model in order to survive, and you have to buy like a minimum of like I think 3 items in order for shipping to be free. And being petite and also being choosy about what I want to add to my closet, I just didn't see it beneficial to me. I need to be able to know I'm going to be getting something out of the box if I'm going to pay a $20 styling fee or even pay for shipping. And it's very hard because I know I'm choosy, and then on top of that, they don't have petite, so it's very limited selection for me. Well, take care. Tomorrow is my last day of utilizing my utility. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes, and the last day of utilizing my utility. So this is February 1st, and I am extremely proud to say that I stuck to my no-buy for the month of January. So I just have this one short month left of February to do it. Hopefully I can. I'm going to be pretty busy starting next weekend on the weekends, so I'm not sure if I'm going to have time to film. I'm going to try and film, but I can't guarantee I'm going to have as much content as I was having. I'm actually going to be doing some college tours with my daughter, so I just won't be around on the weekends. All right, so for today's outfit, I have something from Stitch Fix, a cut from the cloth blouse that I got one of my very first, or maybe it was like my 3rd Stitch Fix box. I remember telling my stylist at the time I needed a red blouse, and boom, she gave me a red blouse. So back then, when I first started doing Stitch Fix in 2018, it was like, your wish is my command. And I love Stitch Fix. Now, like, I've been doing it for so long, a lot of the inventory looks a lot of stale to me, same old, same old. But at the time, I really liked this blouse, and I like it still. It was a pretty expensive blouse. I think I paid $68 for it. But I really liked it, and it's cut from the cloth. If you like it and want it yourself, start checking out Marshalls, thrift stores, etc. I've seen people now get it as low as $6, and I'm like, wait a minute, I paid $68 for it. So it's the wrap style. It has a little modesty snap here. It's absolutely completely sheer, so a cami must be worn underneath this. As I was wearing it today, I realized I have a pull in it, but I think I was able to fix the pull, all right? So I basically cut the loose string. You can kind of see it if you come really close and look. You see how it's like a white line there? You could barely even see it right there on the camera. It's so faint. So I cut the loose string. I don't think that's a big deal, and I'll still wear it because I like the blouse, all right? And it fits me well, I think. The sleeves are perfect because it's a petite. With it, I have a pair of dark olive green. They almost have like a tint of brown to them. They're by Prosperity. And I got these through Nordstrom, just ordering them on my own, and I think I spent about $30 on them because they were like on sale. And I have my black Vince Camuto little booties with this, so I'll step back so you can see. And that is my outfit for going nowhere today. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.